If you feel pain between your shoulder blades and it often feels tight or under constant pressure, this exercise may surprise you at first. It looks very simple, maybe even too easy, but when it's done correctly, this is often the exercise that helps release tension between the shoulder blades, even in people who have been dealing with this issue for a long time. From our clinical experience, we've learned one thing. When it comes to pain between the shoulder blades, more strengthening or aggressive stretching often doesn't help. What helps much more often is restoring the body's basic cooperation and support from the very foundations. If you want a simple way to start improving your breathing, posture and body stability right away, we've created a free Body Reset ebook. It gives you short, practical routines you can use daily, especially if you sit a lot or feel stiffness in your back. And that's exactly what this physio exercise, based on developmental kinesiology, is designed to do. Here we'll go through a physio exercise. Don't force anything. Observe whether your body can find support, relax, and work without unnecessary tension in the neck and shoulders. Lie on your stomach on a mat. You may place a rolled towel or a low support under the ankles to allow the lower limbs to remain relaxed. The lower limbs and gluteal muscles are relaxed. The pelvis is in a neutral position without active tension in the lower limbs. Bend the elbows to approximately 90 degrees and place them under the shoulders. The forearms point forward with the elbows roughly at ear level. Before initiating movement, breathe freely into the abdomen and become aware of your body position. With an inhale through the nose, activate intra-abdominal pressure. Gently press the inner edges of the elbows into the mat. While maintaining active intra-abdominal pressure, slightly lift the head into spinal elongation without neck extension and without forward head translation. The cervical, thoracic and lumbar spine remain upright and aligned. The gluteal muscles, thighs and calves stay relaxed. Hold the position while breathing smoothly and in a controlled manner into the abdomen. The abdominal wall remains active throughout the entire hold. Maintain support through the elbows and trunk stability. With an exhale, smoothly return to the relaxed prone position. The lower limbs remain relaxed, breathing remains free. Repeat the position. Perform the exercise as follows. 3 sets of 30 to 45 seconds, or until you can maintain the active position with the required quality without additional movements or activation of compensatory muscles. If you felt the area between your shoulder blades begin to release without forcing or overloading anything, that's exactly the effect we're looking for. Not through effort, but through proper foundation and control of your core. Now, one important thing. For this exercise to have a longer lasting effect, it's important to follow it with a proper breathing, of course. In the next video, you'll try a localized breathing approach that helps release the chest and supports keeping tension between the shoulder blades from returning. Click on the next video and continue this work in a simple, natural way.